the green color နဲ့ yellow နဲ့ mix မယ်ဆိုရင် light green ရမယ် okay like this green. We're gonna start painting the leaves, so make sure you get a light green. We're gonna have a 2 green, okay? This light green and then a bit lighter green, okay? Green အခုစမယ်နည်းနည်းဒီ green ထပ်ပို့ပြီးတော့အရောင်ဖြော့တဲ့ green နဲ့နှစ်မျိုးစမယ် okay? နှစ်မျိုးစမယ် okay? So teeny tiny of green and yellow and then really light green. You're gonna get this is really light green, okay? This is almost yellow and light green, and this is a little bit darker, okay? Lighter than this one, sun, okay? So 2 green. You miss it, and then after you miss 2 green, let me know. We're gonna start painting the here. We're gonna use the fan brush, okay? Fan brush. You dip in the water and you tap it, and you're gonna get like this brush with the not the lighter one, this one. This one didn't sound on it because down sound was it, okay? So I want you to have a like this leaf. Okay. And 1 by 1 each.
Teacher, light or dark?
The darker one. We're still gonna use the darker one, not the lighter one yet. Not too much, okay? I would like to see space. Some space. Smaller area. I'm gonna use the And for the tree, and start painting. I'm leaving some space, okay? You're gonna leave some space, okay? Not everything. Okay. I want to bring down the tone, okay? We can use the dark green and teeny tiny of tiny light color. Make sure you don't put too much black, okay? Let me show you. Yeah, only this amount of black. You're gonna mix with the dark gray. Okay. Only half of it, okay? We're gonna use the silver brush. And the bottom of this one, okay? So the bottom of this one, we're gonna the bottom line. I need to separate. Okay. Here is the bottom line. Okay. And this is the bottom line. This is the temple. Okay, much. And this line. With the silver brush, okay. One, two. Yeah, under the tree, we're gonna have a bit darker, okay? And here too, darker color. Cars. Wait. Only the dark green. Okay. Dark green is the bottom near the mountain as the bottom of the grass. That doesn't work. Let me know if you are done with this. Look here, please. The light green Niyama, the light Niyama, mix out the light color. We're gonna put it right there, okay? Like this to create that. Do you see that? With the silver brush, okay? Like that. Light green with the silver brush. I'm gonna create a brush stroke light green. Okay, yeah, one by one. And you're gonna see the difference of the bush after this. Yeah.
Teacher, my green glitter mixed with black.
We mix this, the light green, right? We're gonna use this one now. After that. Yeah, hold it down. Okay, tap one stroke, one space muscle, one time, okay? Don't put it too thick. I would like to see each brush stroke. Okay. And you're gonna see. Okay, then you're gonna start seeing.
Look
Okay,
at me,
wait a second. Look here. The lighter screen, the one that the lighter screen, that's gonna go to here. They're gonna paint here, okay? The lighter screen, okay? ဗာလဲအဖြော့ဆုံးအရာအဖြော့ဆုံးအရာကိုဒီမှာထည့်မယ်
မတွေ့လားဇက်ဇက်ဇက်ဇက်လေးထည့်မှတွေ့လားလိုက်တာဂရင်းကိုဒီနားလေးမှာဇက်ဇက်ဇက်ဇက်လေးထည့်မယ်လိုက်တာဂရင်းလုံးလုံး
Okay, right here. Okay, right there with the lighter green. အဖြော့ဆုံးအရာကိုဒီ Yeah, okay. Lee. Right there. Right there. Fan brush နဲ့နော် Okay. Be ma, the corner ma, the second green, the middle one. Okay, like okay. The corner ma. The middle one. Corner. Middle one. Okay. And ဒီနေရာမှာဒီနေရာနော်ဒီ the middle one ထည့်မယ် okay ဒီ line အပေါ်ရဲ့အပေါ်မှာ make sure like it's you put some space. Okay. So it's gonna look like a tree. Look here. Otherwise you're gonna mix up, okay? Light green or white color in it. White color, the lightest green, white color and then mix man. Okay. If you don't want to put a flower naturally, we're gonna put the fan brush. And then we're gonna have some light green here, okay? But this one, light one. Okay, a little bit here. And then a little bit right there. You can forward the fan brush, the top part. Okay, right there. Okay, and here. Let's hit the light. The front. ဒီမှာဒီနေရာ light hit တဲ့နေရာဆိုတော့ဒီမှာ lighter here. Then you can put like this. Maybe here. Okay. And the top.
Can we do any color, teacher?
No, it's wait a second. Okay, follow the instruction, okay? The lighter. Okay. So you're gonna put some right there. Not a lot though, okay? The top part of the window. 10, okay? Yeah. Like that. Okay, it's for this part. We're gonna take all over with this little white one, okay? So this is one part of the grass, but this one is not. With the black color, we're gonna have a, okay, don't do anything yet, okay? So we're gonna, it's a small tree. It's supposed to be whatever shape you want. Small bush tree, okay? Like this. Okay. And then you can have a silver brush. And we're gonna put the leaf. Don't paint it, okay? Look here. The darker greens first. Like that, okay? After that, the middle green near the top, on the top, the middle green. Yeah, some part. Okay, and then the lightest green that you mix with the white one. Just the top. Okay, try that. Okay. If you want to put the flower, it's fine. If you don't want to put the flower, it's fine too, okay? So can you please pay attention to the screen? I'm gonna show you how. So we're gonna put a teeny tiny flower plant right there. Okay, with the 00 brush. And then you can put whatever color you want. I'm gonna choose red, okay? Can you see it? I'm gonna put a teeny tiny red dot. Okay, can you see that? It's really small though. You can put other color. The color plant too. Okay. Okay. Not too much, okay? Too much gonna be not looking good, okay? Here and there. You can put teeny tiny flower dot. If you don't want to put flowers, that's fine too. I'm gonna put here and there teeny tiny. Tiny here and there. White flower. Dot dot dot. That's fine if you want to leave it green color, okay?
I will leave it.
Okay. Just leave it green color if you want. If you don't want to. I'm gonna only put this much. The farther one, I'm gonna put some.
Are we
orange.
done?
Yeah, pretty much done. If you are done, you don't want to put the flower, you can go. Flower မထည့်ချင်တဲ့လူတွေကသွားလို့ရပြီနော်
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye
Bye, teacher.
Please don't forget to upload in the album, okay? Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher. Bye bye.
Bye
Goodbye.
bye. Bye. Stop it. So I'm gonna put,
I finished, teacher.
yeah, if you're done, please don't forget to upload in the album, okay?
Thank you for teaching us, teacher.
You are welcome.
Yeah, I finished.
Okay, if you are done, you are good to go.